Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeover with Yashika, and my name is Yashika Verma, and today's video is all about royalty, elegance and iconic beauty. Yes, I have recreated the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan stunning white sari look from Cannes, complete with the statement red jewelry, sleek hair and the defined glow. This look is timeless, classic, and surprisingly wearable. Whether it's for a wedding, or festive evening, or a photo shoot, I am breaking it all down for you step by step. So let's start with the skin prep. Here I am using Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer. This moisturizer is amazing for the oily skin. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, don't make your skin greasy, but makes your skin hydrating for so long. And I gently massage it all over my face and of course on my neck too. Aishwarya Rai's skin looks like porcelain here, so we are going for a soft matte but not cakey look. So I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation for this one, and the shade is 128, and I am just taking a few drops and going to blend it with my brush first. This foundation blending brush is for Mars, and for the airbrush finish and to make it very smooth I am going to blend it with my beauty blender. This is the must step when you are doing a makeup and or applying a foundation. Just blend it with the beauty blender, it's give you amazing finish. Her look doesn't have harsh contouring, it's very soft and gracefully. So for that I am using Blue Heaven concealer in the shade chocolate. That's a very dark concealer shade, that's why I am using it for a contouring, and I just love the finishing of that because it give you a very light dimension to your face, doesn't feel hard, doesn't look so dark brown. That's why I'm using this concealer shade. I am applying it right under my cheekbones along with the jawline and on the side of my forehead to create that soft lifted effect. And blending it with the same foundation blending brush. This is from Mars. I just love this brush because it doesn't absorb your product and give you amazing finish. And for the nose I am using my finger to blend this contour. Next, move to the next step. Now let's move to the next step is applying blusher. I think applying blusher is everyone's favorite step in the makeup, right? So for this I'm not using any blusher or a tint. I am using a lipstick is from a Swiss Beauty palette. So for that amazing colors I'm using that lipstick. So now let's move to the next step is a concealer. So I am just highlighting the high points with the Swiss Beauty concealer. I don't know why I'm stopped using this concealer. This concealer is just amazing. It's very lightweight and give amazing finish to the face, and its coverage is really good. And the best part of this concealer is very affordable. नाउ ब्लेंड इट विद अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. सो ये देखने में तो बहुत ईजी लगता है ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करना, बट सीरियसली हाथ में दर्द हो जाता है ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करने में, बट इट गिव्स यू अमेजिंग शेयर फिनिश टू योर प्रोडक्ट. सो वेन एवर आई ब्लेंड माई कंसीलर, सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, सबसे पहले मैं अपने चीक्स का, नोज़ का, फोरहेड का कंसीलर सबसे पहले ब्लेंड करना पसंद करती हूँ. उसके बाद में अंडर आइज़ का. इससे क्या होता है कि जितने मैं उसको ब्लेंड करती हूँ पूरे फेस को, अंडर आइज़ का थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज देता है. Now let's set the base with a translucent powder. This is from K Beauty by Katrina. I just love this powder because this is a amazing powder. Doesn't feel heavy, doesn't your makeup look cakey, and set your base very well. Now let's do the next step is eyebrows. It's the amazing and the most important part of the makeup is to define your eyebrows. If you do your whole makeup and doesn't define your eyebrows, it's make no sense, seriously. It doesn't look good. So I am using Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil for the same, and I just love this pencils. The shade is amazing, the perfect brown shade which I loves to apply on my eyebrows. And this time I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is the second palette that I have of a Swiss Beauty, and this the shade is amazing, and the number of the eyeshadow palette is 02. For the eyeshadow I'm just going to use only two shades from the eyeshadow palette. The first is a brown shade and the second is the pink shimmery shade, and you will see by yourself that how beautiful the eyeshadow looks. So for complete the look I am using this eyelashes from the Amazon. I've just found it on the Amazon. I just love the eyelashes. It's come with the glue, and this is the eyes look. Oh my god, it's look amazing. Just take your time, keep the line clean, and you will see instantly see how it elevates the entire vibe. It's powerful, elegant, and very symbolic. Her lips bold red but still classy. I just love the shade of red. This look is such a perfect example of Aishwarya Rai timeless elegance. That white saree is so graceful and she paired it with bold red jewelry that just pops. What I love is how the makeup was kept soft and classic. Flawless base, a soft smoky eyes and that rich red lips to tie everything together. The hair was straight, sleek and center parted, letting the saree jewelry take the spotlight. It's elegant, powerful and totally iconic. Now comes one of the most iconic touches from this look, the sindoor. Aishwarya wore it so gracefully and it added such a divine traditional element to her glam. So here is the final look. If you love this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your glam squad and of course subscribe for more celebrity inspired makeup look. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. I'll see you in the next time with another gorgeous look. For then, bye. Thank you so much for watching.